Okay, we're working on a 2007 Silverado, and we're changing out plugs and plug wires on it. We're just showing the difficult one to get to, and that's this back one on the exhaust manifold. You see the three silver parts going up here, 1, 2, 3. That's a heat shield. There's another one up here. That back plug is back behind. Let's see, put it right in here. So I'm going to use these pliers like this to grab that heat shield. They grab the heat protector on the plug wire and pull it off. This is where we've got new plug wires that go back in. So let's just see if we can get a hold of it from here. Usually this is about the best access. We pulled the inner fender liner off, and that was not very difficult to do. But the problem is getting a hold of that round plug. We've got one here I can show you. So this is the this is what we're trying to grab a hold of, is this right here. So yeah, we've got these new ones to go in. We ordered these from Amazon and got them for less than $40. So Amazon had a really good price on those, and we've used them before, and we like the quality of them. Of course, they're made in China, like probably all spark plug wires are by now. All right, I got a grip on it. Okay, came right out with a little bit of muscle and a little bit of torque. So that's the plug wire, and we'll show. All right, there's your plug wire out of the way. All 8 plug wires are the same, by the way. So then we're going to use a socket with a angle to go on it. And like I say, this is the tightest one. We might even just have to use a socket without the angle. If we do, we'll just use this little adapter with the 1/2-inch drive. Let's see if that'll fit on there. First we'll try it without the ratchet. Goes in at an angle right behind. All right, there it is. I'm not sure that we can see it at that angle. Let me get a little bit of light up in there. Yeah, it looks like we might be able to get the ratchet on it. And there's. Sometimes you'll need the swivel, and sometimes you don't. A little bit of trouble getting my ratchet in the right spot. Just be patient. Okay, it's on now. Let's see. It'll pull up to loosen. Counterclockwise, of course. All right. Tell you what, we're going to put a cheater bar on it. I think I've got a little silver aluminum cheater bar. If I can get it in there. And go up. Get my cheater bar in place. And set my switch on my ratchet. Alright. It should be enough to break it loose. Yep, it came loose just then. Get your bar out of the way. Now, you are getting, it's coming out. So I'm going to shut off the camera now. That's the end of the video. Just want to show you how to get those out and get to them. And it's real easy if you, especially if your truck's jacked up, you can get that wheel liner out of the way, and it's probably about the easiest way to change out the plugs on the bank on the passenger side. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you will. Have a great day.